see what's inside. Oh, pretty CNC aluminum. So this would be the lower reinforcement bar. Super sick. This is the chassis brace that goes under the skid plate with super JDM instructions. And the one I'm super excited for, the brace for the engine bay. The center portion does not flex. It's a solid piece of aluminum. I don't know why, but the Blitz one and the Cusco one, they have that center brace that goes across the engine bay. It's flexible. I don't know, I would much rather have that center portion solid. She's on the lift.
Like it's recessed anyway,
So usually you would have to take the stock one off, but I obliterated my stock one at the racetrack. Don't ask how. So yeah, that did the work for us. And now we can just install this easily. Looking really pretty though. So sick. I just love all the CNC engraving. Like, you'll never see this piece, obviously, because it's under the car, but it's just one of those things where it's nice to know how high quality the piece is. CPM Chassis Tuning. Alright, the first brace is in, thanks to Cody. But, man, it looks good. You'll never see it, but it's nice to know it's under there. Cody's also helping me out with an oil change. Figured I might as well because I just went on 2 long road trips and the car's on the lift, so. What's your opinion on oil?
What about it?
Like, so I've been running 5W30 forever because track car, but I don't really track anymore. Is the OW20 fine for just like daily?
So the reason for 5W30 is because you're tuned, right?
Yeah.
It's more performance oriented than it is for anything else. 020 is if you keep the car bone stock.
Oh, okay, so I should be running the thicker oil.
Correct.
All right, we're doing something good. 6,000 mile oil, not bad, not bad. All right, we're gonna get ready to put the skid brace in. I haven't seen a company make this brace, so pretty cool. So those just go, that brace just goes in between the rear holes of the skid plate. Nice and easy.
See ya.
It is now the lowest part of the car.
I don't get what the point of that is though.
We'll see what happens, yeah? It looks cool.
It's literally lower than anything.
Thank you, sir. Okay, usually something goes wrong during my car installs. That's why I'm here. And I'm hoping nothing goes wrong. So the underbody CPM chassis bracing is in. Super simple install. So cool. Especially this rear one. I'm just so sad I'll never see it again. The final piece that needs to go in. And look at all the CNC toolpath marks. It's such a high quality piece. I can't wait because my car's a 2020, it never came with the inside engine bracing that the newer cars got. So we're finally gonna be updating the car after 6 years. I know a lot of people, this is like one of the first mods people do.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Yep.
But this is one of my last mods, I guess. Yeah, that's a lot easier than how I do it. I have a tiny funnel and I have to hold the 5 liter. Like, it takes forever to go in. All those NorCal trips, finally getting fresh oil. Definitely can read Japanese. Oh, it even sounds expensive when it goes down. Because this is way more expensive than the Blitz and the Cusco.
Yeah.
I like how it's not a gaudy color though, like red or blue or something. It's just nice and clean and aluminum. I'm just being a hater, but I do like the aluminum look. They go into the holes right there. And then this one we actually need to nut and bolt because it's not threaded. Because again, I have a 2020. So you put the longer bolt in there, and the shorter one threads into these. So this part is already threaded because they knew they were gonna put an engine brace there. Just the 2020s didn't get it because I'm pretty sure COVID rush and they're trying to just get these cars out. That's my thought process anyways. This looks so good. I got that video. I get the magnet out now.
I see it.
Easy. Remember how we were saying like nothing's gone wrong so far? Look at how good that looks. Now I can lift up my engine bay at car meets to show off my stock-ish engine. Yeah. Like I said before, like I love how the center bar, it's not all flexible. It's a stiff CNC piece of aluminum, and also it doesn't bow out up like this, so it should clear the saber vents right there. Oh yeah, we're golden. Easy. Oh, you can see it through the. Oh, that's sick. I didn't realize this, but you can see it through the vents. Oh, that looks so baller. That's so cool. Okay, we found the engine chassis brace that clears the saber hood. Ooh, look at that. So good. And it clears the saber center vents with lots of room. For all you bra haters, I took the bra off. I just had it on for the toge runs and the road trip, okay? It's off now that I'm dailying. But what I need to do, which a lot of you pointed out in the previous video, is I need to color match the front bumper, because the hood matches the door panel perfectly, because I had the hood color match the door, because obviously that's OEM paint. But the front bumper is aftermarket, or not aftermarket, but it's been resprayed and it was not color matched well. Granted, I'm thankful I didn't pay for it. It was a free replacement bumper, but I do need to color match the actual front bumper and then PPF the whole front end. Huge shout out to Cody, S5X. So if you guys are in the SoCal area, I know some of you guys have been asking me like if there's a trustworthy shop. Well, Cody knows what he's doing. He's been working on these cars for a long time. So make sure to hit them up. I'll link S5X's information down below. They're in Fullerton, California. So if you're nearby, you can bring your BMWs and Supras here. As you guys can see, there's a bunch of M3s everywhere, M4s, crazy, M2. Also, if you guys are interested in purchasing the CPM Chassis Tuning braces, I'll have a link for that on my shop down below as well. Alright, I just finished editing the video. We're here at Janet's house. Janet, no. Miso! Steven's here editing too. But yeah, if you guys made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. But yeah, again, if you guys are interested in picking up those CPM chassis braces, the link will be down below. And see you guys in the next video. Okay, everyone say bye! Bye!
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.